Hello viewers. Today I'm going to share with you very important and interesting Excel tips that how to combine multiple Excel files into a single Excel file without changing any format or layout. As you can see, I already organized 3 Excel files to demonstrate you the process. If I want to combine these 3 Excel files into another or new worksheet, then at first we have to take a file. So I'm taking a new Excel file and renaming combine Excel files. So I want to combine these 3 Excel files into this file. As you already know that this can be possible through copy pasting the sheet like this way. But if you select, then copy, then paste there, in this cases format always not be same, formats might be changed, but that is not our objective. We want to keep same format on another file. In this cases the process is different that I'm going to show you. Okay, let's start. I'm closing all Excel file. At first I am opening this file because I want to keep those 3 files here. File 1, file 1 open, then file 2, file 2 already open, then file 3, file 3. Here 4 file open. Okay, first file open. File 1 contain 2 Excel sheet. This is very simple. Right button, click on right button on your mouse, then choose this move or copy, create copy. This is the option we are looking for, that move selected sheet where combine to Excel. Create copy. Okay, already copied. See the file name, combine Excel file. So first sheet already moved. Then second one, same process, create copy. If you not check on this, then it will be moved, so very careful. Create copy means it will copy it on next sheet. So first file already moved. We can close this file. Now we will work on second file. File 2 contain only one sheet, so we are copying this sheet. Create copy, combine Excel files. Done. File 2 done. So I am closing this file. Now only file 3 is left. File 3 contain 3 sheet. The same process. Done. Then second sheet, same process. Last one. Okay, done. So right now I can also close this file 3. Okay, now process is done. As you can see that we already copied all sheet, the 3 files. we can work here based on our understanding and concept that how we want to organize, sheet here based on our needs. So this is very easy process, and especially for beginners who are new on Excel, they can use these options to combine or merge all Excel files into single Excel file. So thank you. If you think that you are benefited through being my video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for your watch.